Alright, guys. Good afternoon. Obviously, just good morning. Oh man, that's funny. Okay. My buy's going today. I do believe it's gonna be a reversal type of profile today. So it's gonna be boom, boom, and Thursday, and I expect most likely Friday to continue to the upside. But yeah, it had. I did. I saw this yesterday. I did see when we were thinking we were struggling to go above here, and then I saw this displacement, and I did try to long it in my honest opinion, but I think I got cooked pretty quick. Well, I kind of got I cut it off in the stop loss. I got cooked here. Hold up. Where is it? Yes, it was what? Wednesday, right? Yeah. Here. I got cooked here. Yeah, around here. I got really manipulated with this. I think here. Yeah, here. And then I wanted to see these get taken, but I guess it was just a strong momentum, so I just didn't bother trying to get back in anymore. I already kind of had figured it's gonna be a type of market. But yeah, so today same thing. I am expecting bullishness. I want to see this get inverted first to make me feel more confident in longs. So then we could just probably get a retracement back into here or something, and then continue higher. If we go into the lower time frames. I don't know actually. Like this is so much liquidity for me. It just makes me want to go boom and then boom. Like take something out, you know, some sort of liquidity. London low would be pretty dope, but the problem with that would be, what was London low? Let me see something. Hold up. Where's London low? No, that's not even London low. Technically, this would be London low. But yeah, we'll see right now. The opening is like in a few minutes. I really would not wanna. Just making it a little difficult for me right now as of yet. Like, this is a nice draw right here. I think ICT said it. Like, excuse me. When there's such a nice wick into a fair value gap, this is more likely to be taken in out. We never got traded into here, so I mean we got a 15-minute fair value gap here. Again, I wish we prefer to taking out more liquidity, because to be honest with you, if we like invert this, like I would want to see lower, really. You know, because if we're in a move, we're like in a strong, you could say, market or whatever, clean market, we should ideally respect this fair value gap, not close below it. But if we do that now, this would just be like for maybe for liquidity, and then I guess I would rather just wait, because I'm not the type of person to like here and then go buy higher, you know, just doesn't make sense to me. I want to see, or maybe I don't know. It really depends on how like the 1 minute. Maybe the 1 minute shows up a clean as, you know, something cleanest. But I just don't like buying above everything. It's not my type of trading. I don't feel good. I feel like it was an impulsive trade more like, rather than a logical trade. But yeah, I would rather just wait. But yes, I am bullish for the day, guys. I want to see these taken out. Yeah, I'll show you guys my top 10 where I'm at right now. Don't tell me it's down again. Oh my gosh, I was about to piss, bro. I'm dead serious. Like if I would have thinking, then I would have just low key. I accidentally also entered with the I accidentally entered with one. No, was it one? Yeah, I entered with the one. Oh no, the first one. No, sorry, I remember now. The first one was just a test to see if it was working, and then it did. And then I took like the trade I took. I told you guys I took the long here. Tuesday here. took long here. I wasn't anticipating a reversal, but it happened. Okay, what I am gonna do right now is a 9:32 thingy. Oh, I did do it yesterday. By the way, we did have CPI today, so we might come down to take that low, the data low. We don't have a wick. Let me write that down real quick. Hold on. That's interesting. It's gonna be a good day, boys. Either we crash out or we go all in, but we shall see. We shall see. Again, like, I just don't like that we're such. Let me take this off real quick. Again, I really wish we invert this. Cause now I just feel like we could go lower. If I'm really being humbly honest, there's a lot of reason for me to go lower. It's at least short term, but bearish, just for the liquidity below it, and then hold up. Where's the FPG H1? Am I blind? Am I blind, bro? What the hell? I'll just mark it as Civi, I guess. So yeah, again, I'm taking that. This is too much. This is just in a daily. We're in a daily fair value gap, so that's good. We have a volume imbalance here, but again, like, I don't expect it to hold. And we do have a 4-hour Civi. This was a freaking POS candle. This one right here, because it was like, whoop, yay, we inverted. We're about to go to the upside. Whoop, boom, took it. Boom, took it. Boom, boom, bruh. So again, we're more bearish than bullish as of yet, at least in the lower time frame. Like I said, low-key wouldn't mind looking for a short, but I'll just wait and see what happens, because we are coming up to another order block right here. Technically, we're in it. Let me see the 4-hour. Oh, let me go to NASDAQ. I want to see how this closes, because if I was too short, I'll probably short ES and look for London lows and stuff. But I gotta be patient. I gotta see what happens here. For me, like, I realized, like, for me, the 5 minutes is one of the best time frames. My humble opinion, to look for reversals. Like, once we get at least a 5 minute change of state, like, I'm more confident. Because if you just take, like, if we're just going up trend, right, and then some people take, like, the market structure shape on the M1, it's most likely just to tap into, like, a 5 minute order block or something on a higher time frame, and then you just continue out. So on the other hand, versus if I'm going up and I see a clear, like, closure on the 5 minute, you see the candle, like, there's a bearish candle. More times than not, and it aligns with time. More times than not, if you go into 1 minute, this would really be like a really nice market breaker structure. So you just get your takeoff. You could just go on the 5 minute. That's sometimes what I do, but it's how aggressive and how thingy I am. Like, for example, like, this is nice clean draws for me, but yeah. Today's probably gonna be my last trading day of the year. Yeah. Ooh, my tummy's growling. Let's go. I don't think we have any more news, right? E30 change CPI. Oh, I gotta write down the first percentage for value gap. We gotta wait and see how this candle closes. So far, so good. We might invert it, who knows? But then we'll invert this, so that's good. But again, I would want to see a retracement, you know. I'd probably just be really patient with the move back up. That's a weekly open, no? Yeah, that is a weekly open. Yeah, I believe that's the weekly. I'm gonna take away the new week opening gaps for now. So yeah, I would want to really expand if I'm being humbly honest. Oh shit. The only thing, like I repeat again for the 10th time, the only thing I obviously don't like is that we're obviously in a higher premium, but over on daily, I guess we're in a really overall discount, you know? So, I don't know, we might see. But my strongest type of trades are definitely like taking out some sort of liquidity. Whether it's like this, or we get a minor SMT, whatever. I just need something to be taken out before long. I'm not trying long right now. Or chase this, really. I'm also gonna mark down, yeah, we're looking nice. I want to see a nice closure for sure here. And then just a retracement. Right here. Oh, I didn't put it for my thing. That's crazy. Alright, 9:30. Where's 10? Again, today's probably gonna be my last trading day for the year. Wait. And shout out to the person who dropped the like. I appreciate you, homie. Okay, I'm gonna start marking down the opening range gap. So yeah, I'm really bullish if I'm being honest. If we see like a respect of this upper thing, I'm willing to take it. And then we're trading back into that 15-minute. We already inverted the SIBI, but it's really important for me to get this inverted at least. Like the reason why for me this is important, the SIBI is like think about it like a little door. I expect that door to be protected at all costs. If we never close above it, then for me this could just mean a lower retracement to like lower sell side, you know. But I'll see. I really gotta pay attention here though. Hold up. We opened here. We closed here. However, right? If we don't close, right? I'm gonna probably entertain. Alright, so let's just say we do come here and then we take out something here and respect this quadrant and the M15 for value gap and immediately show displacement. I'm taking that baby back up. However, though, I need to see the closure. The closure is really gonna mean a lot to me here. I want to see closure here. I'll probably just wait till 10. I don't want to see a retracement now here because to me this is not gonna look ideal. boys. 2026 will be ours. It will change the trajectory of my life. I promise you that. But it's up to me to stay consistent. So again, guys, for those, I'm just waiting for a closure. Like this, I don't like already. Because for me, like if we close like below this candle, let me write this down real quick. Sorry. Let me not write down IFG because it's not even in original, and then I'm just gonna try to manipulate. Like my mind's subconscious is gonna think like, oh, like, you know what I mean? Like, oh, he's So right now it's just a Sibi. Let me change this. Sorry. Sibi. It's a Sibi. So. But I'm not shorting, guys. I'm not shorting. I'm just like I realized, dude. Like after fuck ups, if I'm like for example right now, like I trade short, right? And let's just say, you know, let's just say I'm trying to like whatever the logic is, like I'm just trying to think, right? Cool. I usually end up losing, right? I end up like this retracement for me, I am getting stopped out. Right, cool. I'm like, oh fuck, okay. I promised I was gonna go for long, and then later on, like around like after timing stuff, I long, right, and then I win. However, now my trade, right, whatever the reason was, right now, whatever the thing is, I'm like instead of getting like the full amount here, like let's just say I was risking 300, right? So instead of getting the full 300, I'm only getting now like 100 or a little less than that sometimes, just to the fact that I shorted here and I was wrong, and then my idea did play out, and then so I'm like, bro. But yeah, that kind of sucks, but whatever. Again, for me, like I said, if this is gonna be a trend that's gonna play out, I really want to see this play out right now. I do definitely want to see some sort of liquidity trade liquidity sweep, bro. Like I said, for me, like if it's close below this, guys, I'm like, it's not really gonna be too ideal for me. I'm gonna have to be more demanding with. Like you said, we close below this. Now we have a Sibi, right? I'm gonna be more demanding here, like here in this area. I would want to need like a 5-minute like change of state delivery versus if I'm here, it closes above here. We have an inversion now. We have like the first gate, like that's showing us bullish, and then now we went to lower time frame. We tap and immediately displace, and now use the M1 with after 950 or 10. But if we close below, then it's not gonna look pretty. Like now, you see. Oh shit. But I'm just gonna wait, guys. Okay, we're tapping into that thing, Let me just put this real quick lower. Oh, that's not looking good. It's switching bearish now. That's annoying. That's what I was talking about, guys. And if we definitely like invert this, I'm more than confident that we're gonna seek lower. Again, I'm only looking for longer as of yet, so I'm not gonna try to. That's a nice stronger rejection. Shit. Great. I definitely want to see something like sweep like this. Right here, and then we could get something, then look for highs. But dude, I'm just gonna wait. Guys, I'm hearing music right now. That's why I really don't wanna play it. I'll show you sneaky. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted or something. minute way before I'm a mute. I don't want to get copyrighted. By the way, oh shit, nice. What was that? Damn, that was a strong edge rejection. If I can make 10, then I can make 100. We have our first FEG. What about 930? Damn, we just straight dropping. Okay, we're in OTE, so I mean, I'll note down. For me, I'm seeing this as a liquidity sweep, alright? Which is hence the leg that this wants to be protected. However, right, if this, then that. If not, then this, not. ICT logic. However, right, so again, I am seeing this as a liquidity sweep. It's not the most cleanest one, but I am seeing this as a liquidity sweep. Alright. However, if this is a leg that's not gonna work, let's just say, like I said, I'm wrong, then this leg should not hold. Alright, but we definitely want to see some nice around 62 to 70.5. I would love to see some momentum for sure. However, again, if we do, let me take this out because it's a little hurting on the eyes, but I don't like this closure. I don't, but I'm still willing to look for longs. That doesn't take away the fact that I'm still willing to look for longs. Ideally, in like I guess a better probabilistic scenario is we did close above it, right? And then we just consolidate, and then at 10, let's just say at 10, like let's just say we're not going down here yet, right? And we just let's just say we stay in this range right now, right? But we did close above this, like the red line to inverge, and then at 10 we do something like boom, create the bottom wick, and then guess what happens after 10? Reversals. That would be my ideal scenario. After 10. After 10. But we'll see. Anything can happen, guys. I really just wish we did stick close above this because it would make it more high probabilistic. But this song is fire. Shut that in phase, man. You see that rejection? I'm gonna be very patient, guys. You see, we're rejecting this key level. AK, we're also going to order block. So it's like, and we still never really closed above it. So and guess what now, guys? Now we have a 5-minute change of state. We have a 5-minute change of state. So now it's really looking dang it. Actually, I would have to be very patient now. Like I would want to see this get inverted or something, cause like I don't like that clean rejection, bro. I don't. Again, just being patient here, guys. Bruh. 946. guys, we're just gonna be patient. I am leaning more bullish. However, now like just the lower time frame is telling me something else. The higher time frame is telling me I'm more bearish. That's really it. That's all there is, guys. That's all there is. I'm gonna be patient here. I am gonna be patient here, very patient, because we are going into auto block. Bro, what's the auto block? It's this right here. Why not this last up close candle? I feel like it can be, but I feel like that's more for people who are more advanced and they expect this to be a reversal here. But ICT says that if it's a change in state of candles, then this would become the auto block. If we had like a black candle here, then this would be the auto block. However, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 consistent continuative green candles, so this whole thing makes it the order block. And then we're rejected. However, I just really want to see a closure, bro. Like a closure would at least, bro, for sure an H4 would help me out. But like for me, I'm a little bit more of a scalper. I like the M1, the M1, H1, sorry. To like, I don't need this to stay above here, and it could be an inversion. But yeah. Oh shit, I thought I had music on. But yeah. Let it phase me. Nice rejection. Like I said, if this leg is gonna be the one that's gonna hold, then this could be a leg lower, guys. We don't know. If this is a leg that the leg is gonna handle lower, then this should be ideally where you want to get rejected from. Let me see the 1 minute. Yeah, clean rejection here. If you're feeling extra ballsy, you could take it as a change of state. Nah, I would leave it here if it's the clean candle. If it is gonna be a change of state, I personally don't like that, guys. I personally don't like that at all. Nice. Let me just make sure I have my mic on this time. That's funny. Nice. Yeah, we're looking more bearish than bullish, if I'm being honest with myself. Nice clean structure, Brody. Nice 50%. We are below 930, but ideally we want to be below these levels. But like I said, like if we have a fucking clean like sweep, I would be I went from the M1. Well, I guess no, depends on like the time. Time is really a lot for me. Let's see what 950 brings. 5 minute, yeah. I'll probably be if I enter earlier than I usually. I'll probably have to be more aggressive for sure, and move to stop to break even pretty fucking quick, or just take a 1-on-1 or something. Cause I'll probably move to break even. Because if the move's gonna play out, then I'd rather be in the move that does play out versus the one that's chopping and I get chopped out. Again, I'm gonna be a little bit patient, guys. For me, like, I'm not paying too much attention to this one right here. Close. I'm just gonna wait. I'm not even gonna. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I get the bigger time frame, guys. I am gonna have my top step ready though. If it's ready to fucking work. I'm taking out main queue. 7 minutes to the closure, guys. I would want to see this get inverted. If this gets inverted, I'll probably look for longs. But it has to invert the thingy first. And then obviously I'm not just going for little thingy, I'm going for big TPs. Well, that'll be probably my first partial. It's untapped. And then move to break even or something and then move to that. Like I said, I'm going for a higher time frame, guys. And it's CPI day. Come on, please. Please. I'm calculating how much would I have to buy. Stop loss would probably be here or something. I would probably only go for one. Yeah, I'd probably go with one. Just because I don't like where we are in the overall to the time frames. We're above everything. Yes! No! Stay there, you piece of shit. Yeah, I'd probably go with one, guys. Also, I would need to close it. I needed to close, dude. Be patient here, guys. I'm in, guys. $9.56. What is it? First trade. I guess we just so super duper duper bullish. So I'm just gonna wait. Alright guys, here I need to pay attention to because I want to see what this does. If this closes below it, I'll probably just close again. Like, I don't really see a point for this to be hogging around too much here. Nice reversion here too. What's the dig in essence place around 950? This is an order block, not a breaker. I definitely don't want to see SMT's highs. I mean, so far look good, guys. So far look good. I'm not gonna complain. I'm gonna put a stop loss though. Hold up. Okay. Alright, so I'm in the trade, guys. I'm in the trade. I'm thinking about crossing up. I don't like this for sure. We did close above ES on thingy, so I'll be patient here. We got 950 momentum. That's the reason why I took this trade as well, guys. That's partly it. I am just keeping an eye on the hour. Nice. Let's go. We close above, guys. Yeah, this is looking good. Close above. Nice. Beautiful. We have not closed thingy, but let's see, guys. Let's see. I'm probably gonna trim my stop just a little bit though. That's for sure. I don't want to see have such a big retracement anymore. I really don't think we should be coming down anymore. We're close to first TP. Well, not first TP. Sorry, first to this. I'm gonna see what the rejection here is. We did invert this, guys, so we haven't had a fight. We did have a not yet. I want to see 10 minutes, the 10 a.m. push higher. Let me turn it off a little bit. I don't know, this is my last trade, guys. It's memories. It's memories. Bro, I think it was, ES was definitely the stronger one. Excuse me. I wonder if someone's in the same trade as well. I guess that's the only reason why I risked like very little on this trade. I don't like this though. I'm gonna cut the trade a little bit more, just cause I don't like it. I don't like it. And frankly, being honest with you, bro, I really don't even want to come down below that 50% no more. I'm gonna stop up to below, guys. Like, it should happen if it's gonna happen. If not, then it's not gonna happen. time is it? Alright, boys. Actually, I lied. I moved it here. I'm seeing the 1 minute. It could just come down for this 1 minute, so I moved it here. My stop. It was a little bit below it, right? Nothing crazy. I did risk it. I did remove my risk a little bit more, so it's fine. I just feel like if it's gonna take it, it's gonna take it. If not, it's not gonna take it. Like, there's no point in trying to sugarcoat it. I really just don't like this though. We do have a 5 minute here. Nice. Alright, I need a 10 a.m. Where's 10 a.m. here? 10 a.m. prices here. I did like the rejection, which is hence the reason why I took it. But if it's not gonna play out, that's gonna be pretty fucking whack. I wanna see it stay below, bro. Like, come on, baby, push us higher. The candidate at 10:06 gave us an SMT. Oh, actually, no, I didn't. I lied. I don't like it too much. My stop loss is below here. Like I said, it needs to tap in immediately, reverses if it's gonna be any good. I did put the right order, right? 1 buy, 1 sell, yeah. So it needs to do it here, guys, like ASAP. Or it's not gonna be any good in my opinion. And I really just get out. This is my last resort. This shit's looking crazy bearish though. We're tapping back into that 5 minute inversion. Let me go bigger in the bigger screen. Like I said, if we're close below here, then it's fine. I don't really want to be in the trade anymore. My stop loss is here. We do have another tiny fair value gap right here. I'm close to being stopped out. Better stop me out. What time is it? 10:11. Hey, you wanna give it to me, dog? 9:30 to 10. 9:30 to 10. Open a range gap. Again, I don't know. Is it gonna fucking hit a OT of this level? I don't know. I don't know. I'm just wait here. It might just want to come back for this level again. I don't know. I'm still willing to play long, guys. I'm still willing to play longs. I feel like I would play longs from here. Obviously, it could wick it. I don't need to close. I needed to wick it. I'm gonna put this on the lower time frames. I feel like I'd rather just long from here, from this busy. But we'll see. It's reclaimed here again, so I will see here what it does. Maybe we take it out. I don't know. Yeah, maybe we take it out. Who knows? I'll be willing to look for long again, guys. Well, and give it to us, guys. We were hoping, but it didn't. And Q's about to hit it. It's just pretty dope. Let me just put this down. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. So I'm willing to try this long again, guys. I'm willing to see this sweep, preview hour sweep, and then higher. I'm willing to try it again. We're not done yet, boys. But I definitely prefer to see this shit tap into it. I would rather see this tap first. Previously hourly highs taken. I give it a try. I did lower my risk, so that's kind of fine. I just saw that again too. Oh man. Again, so what am I looking for? What am I looking for, guys? Hold up. Something like this. Maybe he wants to come sweep this out. I really wanted to see this because this was the one that was rejecting the, what is it called? The thing. Again, nothing's really concerned right now. Like I can't expect retracement. Like we could tap into here, but now this is more significant to me because we already have this inversion. And now if I could just long here and then use the M1 to go long. Obviously, you just had it done, but that's really just right now what I'm looking for. I definitely don't want to see a closure as much, because then this will become a 15-minute change of state, and I really don't want to see that. I just want to see a sweep, a beautiful sweep. I'm gonna go on the 1 minute. I don't want to see a formation safe to my opposite side. So again, I'm willing to try this again, but I would need a sweep of previous hourly high. I mean previous hourly low. So I'm seeing something like this to long from. Alright, let's go. How the 5 minute close? Yep, no closure. Nice. I would rather see a previous hour now. I'm only logging from here, guys. I'm not logging from nowhere else. I'm only logging from here, from this busy. Because then there will be more factors to more confidence to my trade. There'll be a previous hourly low into a fair value gap. Yeah, I'm good. This shit goes without me. I'm gonna be upset, but whatever. You could just come here again and reject and go lower. I'm good, whatever the case is. Mm. I took it here. There's an SMT at the M1s, I'm assuming. No, nothing really. I'm not getting interested. I don't care about this shit. If it goes without me, it goes without me. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not trading from. Fuck this. I don't care. I'll trade like the continuations trade or something, but I'm not trading this shit. It's garbage. I don't care if it reverts it, because to be honest with you, I just don't like this. I don't like this reverse left like that. That's crazy, left it completely blank. Ugh. What the fuck? I'm gonna try this one with MESH. How much would I try with MESH though? Hold up. It is a pretty fucking big stop. Nah, I'm not gonna try. It's not even worth it in my opinion. I'm just curious though. Hold up. 2? Nah, it's not worth. No, I'm good. We did close above 930 though. Fuck. Alright, I'll wait. I'll just wait. I'm thinking maybe we could get like a 5-minute here. Here. Wow. Oh fuck no. I do expect a larger, bigger target today, so. I am still looking for higher targets though. That's crazy. I really wanted it long from here, but that's annoying. Yeah, guys. So our long did play out, but I wanted to see this and then this. I don't want to buy. It's too high now. I would look for shorts, bro. Like we're just too high now, but let's see Tiny. Let me see Tiny take some trades. I'm assuming she was going longs too. Oh, she was. Oh, she was shorting. Never mind. She was shorting. Never mind. Never mind. I was like, yeah, she was shorting. Oh shit, wrong one. I'm probably done for the day. Oh shit. Shut up. Oh, yeah, she was shorting. Yeah, you see, guys, that fucking wick is what bothered me. There was no wick on Ian. I think it was Ian's. What about Tyler? I know my boy took the same trade as me, bro. It's just funny. Me and him kind of have the similar trading. I mean, I also get a lot from him, but I also try to learn from like other. Oh yeah, he was strong on too. You see? Yeah, he was trading from me. I got him from the 5 minute though. Oh fuck! Never hit it either. That's funny. Oh my god! I'm finally getting a closure here though, so I expected like to hold and go higher, but like my easy trade was already out the way. Yo, bruh. I'm gonna stop below here. Yeah, who did compare me? That's so annoying. Yeah, like we can't. I couldn't do anything. Yeah, I'm probably not trading tomorrow, bro. I'm done. I'm not trying to go into drawdown ending the week. Well, I think I am. Let me see my trade. Hold on. Red day, negative 30. Yeah. Oh yeah, you see? That's what I was looking at. This shit never got tagged into. We were trying to look for this. Boom. This guy is funny. He's probably like my favorite trader. Fuck. Yeah, none of them tagged in. I wanted to see this. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, guys, I'm at the stream here. It's annoying today. So, our trade did play out. We were bullish coming into the market. At least what it is, dog. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, everybody was doing, I got in here. So, my original thingy was here, guys. Once this inverted this, I got in here. My trade was technically this. Never got trade, never got a. What's it called? Wow. I never got stopped out technically, but you don't want to see this big ass retracement, bro. Like you really just want to start seeing go, 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 go. You know. Boom, boom, and look this shit. Boom, one more time. Bruh. Bruh. So I wanted to see this go lower, like I said, 100 billion times. Take this out. Previous hourly high, and then boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, man. I'm gonna crash out. Fuck, man. I could end the week in a nice thingy, but it is what it is. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, nah, I won't trade. Happy holidays, guys. We made it, guys. Another trade in here. For those that are still here on the hard times, it's all gonna pay off, guys. 1 month, it's gonna fill in years of fucking tears, of crying, of doubts. Just 1 month, all it takes in this game. So, yeah, it is what it is, though. We are now beginning to respect it beautifully, which I did say. This was gonna be like my first one, because we're getting a rejection or a little bounce. But this was my overall draw, guys. This right here, these equal highs. Bro, I really low key wouldn't mind like coming back for this. So we've proven that we don't want to come back down there. So, but I don't want to take another out. Like it just, if it would have played out, it would have played out originally. You know what I mean? Like this would have played out nicely in the